Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I, Mrs. Ganasurya, teacher of Junior KG from Todeldam. Today I am going to introduce you the places of worship. Children, in our India there are different people who follow different religions and they also go to different places of worship. People pray to thank God for giving them for food, shelter and clothing. Children, now let's start. The places of worship are temple, church, mosque, gurudwara, fire temple, that is Agyari, Jain temple, that is Derasar. Children, now I will explain you about different religions and their respective places of worship. Let's start with temple. Temple. Hindus worship in a temple. The Ramayana and the Bhagavad Gita are the holy books of the Hindus. The temples have idols of gods and goddesses. We see people offering fruits and flowers to the idols. People sing bhajans and offer prayers. Pujari looks after the temple. Next place of worship is church. The Christians pray in a church. The church is the holy place of worship of the Christians. It has a cross at the top. They assemble in the church on Sundays to pray. It is called service. The Christians worship Lord Jesus Christ. The Bible is their holy book. The priest reads from the Bible during the service. Now children, next mosque. The Muslims pray in a mosque. The Muslims offer namaz 5 times a day. The Quran is their holy book. The Muslims are followers of Islam. Children, next place of worship is Gurudwara. The Sikhs pray in Gurudwara. Their holy book, the Guru Granth Sahib, is kept there. The priest in the Gurudwara recites the Gurbani, that is sayings of the Gurus. The Sikhs take part in Kirtan, that is devotional songs, and seek the blessings of their Gurus. Next, fire temple or Agyari. It is the holy place of the Parsis. They offer their prayer in the fire temple. Children, last place of worship is Jain temple or Derasar. It is the place of worship for Jains, the followers of Jainism. They offer their prayer in the Jain temple. Children, all religions teach us to love and help each other. So, we should respect all religions. Let us revise. A Hindu worships in a temple. A Christian worships in a church. A Muslim worships in a mosque. A Sikh worships in a Gurudwara. A Parsi worships in a fire temple. A Jain worships in a Jain temple. One more time. A Hindu worships in a temple. A Christian worships in a church. A Muslim worships in a mosque. A Sikh worships in a Gurudwara. A Parsi worships in a fire temple. A Jain worships in a Jain temple. Children, now I will ask some questions. Okay? Where does a Muslim worship? A Muslim worships in a mosque. Where does a Hindu worship? A Hindu worships in a temple. Where does a Christian worship? A Christian worships in a church. Where does a Jain worship? A Jain worships in a Jain temple. Where does a Sikh worship? A Sikh worships in a Gurudwara. Children, did you enjoy learning about places of worship? Take care. Bye. Thank you.